Unlock your creative potential and build breathtaking digital experiences with Higgsfield Canvas. Welcome to Higgsfield Canvas, your gateway to intuitive visual creation. Today, we'll explore how to master its powerful tools to bring your ideas to life. Let's start by adding something to our canvas. You'll find a variety of fundamental shapes like squares, circles, and lines readily available. Simply click on the Add Element option and select the shape that fits your vision. Once you've added an element, you can easily manipulate it. Click and drag any shape to reposition it anywhere on your canvas. Need to adjust the size? Grab the corner handles of your selected element and drag them outwards to enlarge or inwards to shrink. Precision is at your fingertips. But what about color? With your element selected, navigate to the color palette. Choose from a spectrum of hues to perfectly match your design aesthetic. You can also adjust transparency for subtle layering effects. Text is key for conveying messages. Click the text tool, type your message, and then use the text formatting options to select your desired font, size, and color. To add dynamic flair, you can rotate your elements. Select an element and use the rotation handle to freely turn it. This opens up a world of compositional possibilities. Order matters in visual design. You can easily control the layering of your elements. Simply right-click on an element and choose to bring it forward or send it backward in the stacking order. And when your masterpiece is complete, don't forget to save your progress or export your creation to share it with the world. Higgsfield Canvas empowers you to design custom scenes, intricate graphics, and even interactive experiences with unparalleled ease. Start creating today.